Guys, my visa nearly expired, so now I'm rushing to Phuket Immigration to extend my tourist visa. In this episode, guys, I will show you exactly what you need to do. Documents you need, things that you need to photocopy, so you save yourself a lot of time. If you fail, to prepare to fail. Okay, if you are new, guys, to my channel is everything that you need to know about Thailand, and particularly Phuket, because this is where I'm living at the moment. It may change. So yes, if you're planning to travel or relocate, I suggest you subscribe to my channel. I hope you can actually hear what I'm saying. I'm shouting. I'm gonna lose my voice. But anyway, I'm nearly at the immigration. Wish me luck. This is how the building looks, by the way. So bike is there, car park there. Now they've introduced some like photocopy as well, so you can actually do it there and get some like drinks and food if you're stuck here forever. You can do your photos here and photocopy all the stuff as well. You have to do a copy of front page of your passport, a page where you have the stamp, and print out the evidence of where you live. I'll show you what mine looks like, but you can ask your landlord to do it. You need to take 1,900 baht in cash. They don't accept cards, so make sure you do that in advance. And picture, a physical picture of you, so you can also do it in the shop. Take a picture. It's 5 minutes from immigration in Phuket Old Town. Just Google Kodak shop. Right, guys, I'm proper rushing. I need to be super fast. Right, so park inside. Parking is free, and then we're gonna go to the main building. Oops, sorry. I have all the documents with me, I think. Fingers crossed. Let's see if I can smash it in an hour. Right, let's pray there's no queue. Please, 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 please. There's no queue. Please, 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 please. Okay. Right. Oh my God, I think I'm winning. Quick one. Here's the example, so you can literally follow what it says on there, and then the forms are just on the left-hand side. So number, and then you have the screen over there.
The number C50.
I'm a professional, guys. Done in less than an hour. Check me out. By the way, if I haven't covered something in this video because I was in such a rush, please comment below. Comment below your questions and then I answer everything. Yeah, because it was just rush. Anyway, guys, don't forget, if you need a one-to-one consultation, I do provide this service. All details are in the description down below. So click on it, read it. It tells you exactly how to pay for it, how to book it. Again, if you get stuck, reach out on Instagram. By the way, on Instagram, I post daily. So if you are missing me and you want to see me more often, then I suggest you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So yeah, so for now, that's it for today. Don't miss me too much. I need a shower because I'm absolutely sweating, and I need a loo as well. And I'll see you very soon. Mwah!